Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a real quick tutorial on how to access the text received from Scholastic. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link right here, and it's going to take you to the digital website. You'll see this pop in. You're going to click log in, and you are going to sign in as a student. And it may ask you for your classroom password. If that's the case, you're just going to scroll down here and you're going to sign in with Google Classroom. Now this is your student ID, so you're going to click on that. And it takes you directly to the Scholastic website. And this is the article that I have requested that you read today. The cool thing about Scholastic is it gives you the opportunity to be orally read to. So all you're going to do right here is you're going to click text to speech. Now that speech, if you feel like it's a little fast, you can just hit stop. And you're going to actually, if you want, click on slow. And it goes much slower. All right, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.